Here we go, guys. Got another lot walk today. Lots of new inventory. So stick around. Here we go. Okay guys, it's been a long week. Got a lot of videos coming out for you to be test drives on all the new rides. You just got to look at the playlist below, cars currently available, and they'll be coming out until about Thursday. You can go to maplemotors.com and see all the new inventory. Get a little info on each one, detailed pictures, set up your financing, and get a shipping quote to deliver it to your house. As in this video here, we're going to be walking around. I'm going to tell you the year, the model, the price. If you want to know more details, like I said, those test drive videos go over all the flaws, everything you need to know about the car. Starting up here on the front row, got a 67 Chevelle in the corner, and it's priced at $34,900. Next to the Chevelle is a 68 Olds Cutlass, and it's priced at $26,900. Next to the Cutlass is a 72 Chevrolet Chevelle. It's also $26,900. This is a pretty fast car sitting here. Right beside that Chevelle is a 71, and it's priced at $27,900. Got a 72 Pontiac GTO on the front row here at $29,900. And then another one that's new to the website is a 72 Chevy Chevelle. This thing's pretty slick. Disc brakes. Priced at $36,900, aftermarket set of wheels. And guys, a little bit more info about us. We do have a large wheel selection, so if you see something that you don't like, you want to go back, more original, we have those in stock. A lot of times when we buy the cars, they come with the wheels that are on them. We basically just get them in, check them out, clean them up, put them out for sale. And we go through 50 to 60 cars a month doing that. If we sat around and had to fix every little detail on the cars, we might only get out 2 or 3 a week, if that. Right now, we're putting out 10 to 15 cars every single Monday, which keeps the price down, and a lot more cars flowing through here. All right, coming down the right side of the lot, we got a 2001 S10 with a LS swap. This thing is fast, priced at $11,900. Of course, next to it is a 71 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $21,900. Next to that is a 72 Dodge Charger, and this one's priced at $19,900. What about the old 75 Chevy Impala? Only at $19,900. Coming up next to it is a 1980 Chevrolet El Camino, and we've only got it at $11,900. Set of weld wheels on it. A little bit of a project Chevelle next to it at $19,900. It's a 71 model.
This paint's been on here, I'd say 10 years or so. At least 5 years.
And then, of course, next to it is a 61 Cadillac sedan 4-door at $12,900 with the big fins in the back. These fins look pretty crazy. This one's got the custom interior. Headliner and everything matches. It's pretty sweet. Then, of course, behind the office here is a 72 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $17,900. And yes, we get a lot of trucks in. We got, I think, 3 or 4, maybe 5 out here right now. This is a 69 model Chevy C10 at $14,900. Okay, there's plenty more cars out here on the lot, but before we check them out, we're gonna head into the showroom and check out some of the Hot Wheels. Okay, just for a second, we'll look at Pops' Hot Wheels room. This has got everything from high dollar collectibles to dollar cars, and it's all priced. As you look around, everything's got a price tag on it. And there's a whole YouTube channel going over these Hot Wheels. Jim Fights Hot Wheels here on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Every day there's posts on Instagram and TikTok, and then of course the YouTube goes over the whole room, so it'll be a long video. Check it out, hit subscribe, and of course if you come to the lot, you can walk right next door. Just go inside, ask for Pops, say show me the Hot Wheels, he'll bring you over here. No problem at all. Thanks. So we've got 2 vehicles for sale in the showroom. Everything else is sold. It's a 1941 Willys Coupe for $45,900. And I guess I could show you everything else, but it's all sold. So don't call and ask about this one, this one, this one. This one's going home. It's a personal ride. This one was built by Jeff. He is not selling it ever. You'll never see this on the lot. He completely customized and did this car himself. Pretty sweet. Old 69 Camaro. This one you seen last week, it's sold as 70 El Camino. You also seen this car here. It's on hold at the moment. It was a 68 Chevelle. It's not 100% sold, but it is on hold, and it was at $42,900. And then, of course, the old Camaro next to it, you never got to see because I never got to video it because it sold before the video, but it was sitting here. Super nice car with a 427. The S10 is an air ride car, and it's priced at $12,900. It is available. It's a customized show truck, as you can see. Pretty sweet. But yeah, the showroom, we've got, what, 2 cars currently available. That one's on hold. And everything else is sold, so don't call about it. Please. No reason to. Let's get back out here. Just right outside the showroom is a 1967 Dodge D100 pickup truck. This has got the Hemi in it. And it's priced at $24,900. Okay, we got a couple 67 project trucks back here. This one's a step side for $99.50. And then right next to that, a $99.50 as well, is 4-wheel drive. There's something a little bit newer than what we normally get here, but it looks like a 2007 Chevy Tahoe. $10,900 is the price. So yeah, we'll be doing a review on it here this week. Check this thing out. It's old Suburban, priced at $11,900, and it's from 1992, fully customized. Pretty sweet ride. I'm pretty sure it was a low mileage vehicle too. Okay, got the old Mustang row there. Looks like a Firebird and a Camaro on either end. There's a bunch of cars here and some trucks over on the side. And I think there was a Mustang, like a Fox body in the back. We're going to have to go over here in a minute. There was a lot of people in the bay back there, so I couldn't do any recording. Got a 68 Pontiac Firebird sitting here, and this one's at $34,900. Nice drop top car. Test drive will be coming out. Got the custom 65 Ford Mustang here. It's a fastback clone car. It's not a real fastback. That's why it's priced at $19,900. Somebody put some fender flares, aftermarket set of wheels. It's got nice red interior. Next is 1970 Ford Mustang convertible in gold. Priced at $22,900. Another Mustang sitting here, 65 fastback. This one's got the inline 6-cylinder with a 3-speed. Priced at $32,900. Of course, another fastback, a 65 model. This one's got the V8 289 at $32,900. Drop top 67 Mustang, $37,900. There's our row of Stangs there. And right up here at the point is a 72 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $32,900. Okay, let's see. I think everybody's cleared out from this way. I try not to get people in the video, just being courteous. Walking on up here's at least 5 or 6 more cars that I haven't went over. Some hidden gems, especially this wagon, old Nova wagon. Before we get to it, a 1955 Ford Thunderbird. This price at $29,900. Next it, the old Nova wagon, $25,900. It's a 1967 model. I love wagons, they're pretty sweet. Guys, don't forget, pick out your favorite car from the update. I'm still kind of thinking about mine. I haven't got to drive all of them yet. I know I drove this truck here. Pretty sweet. 1951 Dodge pickup, priced at $21,900. Next it, the 71 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $25,900. This thing's a rocket. It's supposed to be fast. Test drive will be coming up soon. I haven't done it. They put it on at the last minute before I left on Friday. I was like, man, I would have definitely recorded that one. So I'll have to do it either today or tomorrow between the rain. Luckily, it stopped right now for this video. A couple trucks back here. 66 GMC pickup truck, $19,900. And then, of course, next to that, I guess you'd call this like a mustard color. There's a 72 Chevy C10 pickup truck at $23,900. One more car, and it's in the sold bay. What we're going to do is go check it out. It's not sold. I'm not 100% sure why they put it in there. I don't know why they didn't stick it out front, but I'm going to be pulling it out today and sticking it out here for them. But there's a whole entire bay of cars back here that are sold, so let's go check it out. Okay, so yeah, this is the sold bay, but this one here is coming out front. It's not sold. It's a 93 Ford Mustang GT 5-speed car at $12,900. This one's gonna go fast. Door's locked, obviously. Figured I'd try it. Seen him messing with it earlier. Two-tone car there. And of course, everything around it, might as well look around while we're in here. Then we'll go back over all the cars again. This was a 86 Monte Carlo that sold. You never got to see. The old 66 GTO back here. This one also sold out. A lot of comments on this one this weekend. Guys, it's easy to get a hold of us. Just call us. 615-822-4444. We work banker's hours, 10 to 5. And we work Monday through Friday. So try to email us. We get 1,000 emails every couple days. It's hard to keep up. You're better to just call us. Old Camaro sold. But I've had a few comments about that. People mad that they're selling too fast. I can't help that. Right here, 67 Corvette. Man, I was really upset about this one. I really like these Camaros. Low mileage car, 02 model. Already sold, never made the video. And of course, y'all have seen this rocket car. Old 67 Firebird. And it's sold too. Okay, so before in the video, we'll walk around one more time. Just glance at some stuff. Again, Mustang is available here. And you've got the D100. The slicks on it. Also got this Suburban here. This thing's wild, got the retro look. Coming up this row. Guys, check out our website. That's where you're gonna find information about us here at Maple Motors. We're a family business, 40 years. I've been doing these videos 5 or 6 years now. Also do TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, all the social medias. This is what I do daily for about 15, 20 years. I clean cars here, worked on all the cars, decided, hey, I'm gonna jump into video, and 5 or 6 years ago, and we're here now every day. Test drives, walk-arounds, and with your help, I can keep doing it. So be sure to hit subscribe, share this video, and hit like. Even leaving comments helps. Speaking of leaving comments, what was your favorite car from the update here? I'm a little torn. I really like the wagon. I always like wagons. Just think they're cool, but I also really like this Camaro. It's got a really good look. It's a 71 model. Pretty sweet. But let me know in the comments what you think. What's your favorite? Any suggestions to make this video better, other than opening the hoods, which we do that throughout the individual test drives. And you can also see detailed pictures of the motor and all that good stuff on the website, the description. Can't stress that enough. A lot of people don't even know what maplemotors.com is, even though it's all over the page. Be sure to go there, because you may be watching this video and it may be a month old by the time you got to it. You can see up-to-date inventory every Monday around noon. Tell you what, I got some videos to put together, including this one. Check our description. Look at the test drives in the playlist below. I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later. Oh my gosh, what is that? See you later.